Hello friends, welcome to Avion Education. In this video, we are going to talk about a very disheartening incident which occurred on Friday evening at 7:40 pm in Kerala at Kozhikode Airport. The Air India plane crashed and it broke into two pieces. A Boeing 737 jetliner was involved in this accident. So first let us see about the information of the flight. A total of 180 passengers and 6 crew members were on board, and this plane was under Vande Bharat mission and it was coming from Dubai to Kerala. Several passengers were injured and they were admitted in Kozhikode Medical College. Out of them, 18 are dead, including the pilots. A total of 10 lakh compensation has been set for the kin of dead and 2 lakh compensation for those who are seriously injured and 50,000 for those who have minor injury. But there is also something which is shocking. One of the deceased passenger tests positive for COVID-19. Now this raises question on how a COVID-19 positive passenger was allowed to come on board. Was he not tested prior? So as a part of precautionary measure, all the rescue operation team has to go for a COVID-19 test, and it is said to them that they have to go for a self-quarantine of 14 days, and during this period they also will be tested for COVID-19. This plane was supposed to land on a tabletop runway with downslope. So before going further, let us know what is a tabletop runway. It is a runway at high altitude with one or both ends of runway adjacent to a steep drop. So as you can see in this picture, this airport has a tabletop runway. You can see this is a deep valley down there, a deep slope is there. So in these cases, when a pilot lands an aircraft on the runway, during the landing, the pilot has no room for any error. So if there is even a slight error or slight mistake, the plane will directly fall down in the deep valley. So these type of runways are very difficult to land on and they are very scary runways. It was also said that DGCA issued notice to airport in July 2019 over critical safety lapse. One of the senior official has also said that this airport did not comply with Annexure 14 of ICAO. So Annexure 14 of ICAO is standards recommended practices for airport design and operation. The runway was shorter than required. It had already received many warnings in the past. In the past, on 22 May 2010, Air India Express Flight 812 from Dubai to Mangalore, India crashed on landing at Mangalore, and it was again a tabletop runway. So this thing has again repeated, so the history has repeated itself. A small negligence over safety have led to such a big disaster. It was also said that friction test was not conducted before the landing of the aircraft, so this means that the runway was not ready for a landing of the aircraft. The pilot made 2 attempts to land the plane and it took several circles of the airport before landing, but unfortunately he failed. Even the weather was not good, so as it is said that if one thing goes wrong, all the other things in the chain goes wrong. The black box of the aircraft have been recovered and it will be brought to Delhi for further investigation, and let us know what we comes to know from that CBR. Helpline numbers have been launched by the ministry and you can see them on screen and share it with your friends to help them, and do pray for the passengers and for the families of the passengers. This was an eye-opening incident. This is what happens when safety is neglected. Small mistakes also lead to a very big disaster. So safety should always come first, and every person in aviation contributes to safety. They all are connected in a chain. So coming to the end of the video, do share these helpline numbers and pray for those passengers, crew members and their family members. Thank you.